Good morning everyone. My name is Sakshi Zadav. Today I am going to talk about evolution from manufacturing to operation process management. So the first point is focus shift. Manufacturing initially focus was purely on production efficiency. The goal was to make goods quickly at a low cost. This meant controlling factors like assembly lines, machinery, and labor productivity. Operations management. Over time, businesses realized that success wasn't just about producing things, but also about coordinating and optimizing every part of the business. Operation management focuses on improving all aspects of production, service, and supply chain. The second point is scope of responsibility. Manufacturing, limited mainly to the production floor, how products were created, ensured machinery was working and workers were efficient. Operations management covers a wider scope. It includes overseeing production, procurement, getting raw materials, inventory management, quality control, supply chain logistics, customer service, and even ensuring sustainability. The aim was to ensure the business operations smoothly from start to finish. Strategic approach. Manufacturing often focused on short-term goals such as increasing output or reducing cost. Operation management takes a longer term strategic view. It involves analyzing market demand, forecasting future needs, integrating technology, and making decisions that optimize the entire system, just not for the factory floor. The fourth point is technological integration. Manufacturing focused on using machinery and tools for mass production, especially in industries like cars or electronics. Operations management leverages technology and data analytics to manage and streamline processes across the entire company. This includes automation, enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, supply chain software, and other tools that help coordinate production, delivery, and customer service. The fifth point is quality control. Manufacturing. Quality control was often reactive, fixing issues as they came up in the production process, and operation management, which mainly focuses on the proactive quality management, ensuring quality at every stage, from sourcing materials to delivering the final product. This includes total quality management, Six Sigma, and continuous improvement methods. The sixth point is customer centric focus. Manufacturing, less emphasis on customers. The main goal was to produce as many as units as possible. Operation management, which shifts focus towards the entire customer experience. It's about creating value for customers by improving how products are made, delivered, and supported. This includes managing lead times, product availability, and even after sales service. The seventh point is supply chain management. Manufacturing, which focus primarily on what happens in the factory or plant, and the operation management focuses on the entire supply chain from raw materials to final delivery. This includes finding the right suppliers, management, inventory, handling logistics, and even anticipating demand to reduce waste or shortages. My eighth point is flexibility and adaptability. Manufacturing processes were often rigid, designed for mass production of standard products. Operations management focuses on being more flexible and adaptive, especially in today's fast-paced market. Companies need to quickly adapt to customers' demand, changing market conditions, and external challenges. Example, global supply chain disruptions. My ninth point is cross-functional collaboration. Manufacturing, typically isolated to the factory floor with limited interaction with other departments. Operations management requires coordination across different functions such as marketing, finance, HR, and IT to ensure a smooth flow of information and resources. For example, marketing might need to communicate sales forecast to production, or finance may need to track operational cost. My 10th point is focus on sustainability and ethics. Manufacturing, environmental impact and ethical concerns were less prioritized. Operations management increasingly focuses on sustainability, ethical sourcing, waste reduction, and minimizing the environmental impact of operations. Businesses are now more conscious of their carbon footprint, fair labor practices, and eco-friendly practices. So the summary of this video is manufacturing, which focuses on production efficiency, reducing cost, and a producing products. And operation management focuses how to expand the oversee all processes within the company, ensuring coordination, quality, customer satisfaction, flexibility, and strategic growth. It uses technology, data, and cross-functional teamwork to optimize the entire organization, not just production. In essence, operation management has evolved to ensure a more holistic approach to running a business, integrating not just manufacturing but all the parts of company to deliver value to customers and stakeholders. Thank you.